What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the videos, all that good stuff. Link below for the Discord if you want to join. Best place to chat about fashion or anything sneaker related, clothing related and all that good stuff. And so another brand that has been recurring on the channel. I definitely do need a sponsorship, man. Please hit me up, G-Star, man. Hit me up. But yeah, today we've got the G-Star 3301 Slim. The colorway on this is pitch black. Pricing £100. I did not pay that much. So they are just literally a pair of plain black slim fit jeans. With sizing, a lot of people do recommend different sizing. I won't recommend a size because everything fits different on everyone. So things like, if you've got big legs, if you don't skip leg day, you're going to need a bigger waist size. Length, obviously, if you're taller, you're going to need bigger length. If you like them stacked, you're going to need a bigger length. But yeah, so literally, in these jeans, I'll be honest, there's not much to talk about. This can be like a really quick and short video. Plain pitch black slim jeans from G-Star. It's always got that little metal tab on the back pocket with the G-Star. Then it's got the little thing on the back pocket that G-Star have. But one thing that does annoy me about this material of jeans is, like, if you notice, a lot of lint and stuff is being picked up. And we've got that G-Star back tab. Also on the front, we've got the standard 2 pockets and this little tiny pocket that no one uses. Inside, or every quality pair, or I should say every genuine pair of G-Stars, it will have this. So it will say quality guaranteed. This garment has been carefully controlled on any defect, and then G-Star raw and a little signature, just a little cool thing that G-Star do. So if you do buy a fresh pair of jeans and you're kind of unsure, just check this pocket and you'll be able to tell if they're legit or not. But yeah, that's literally all from me. I don't have much to say. It's just a pair of boring plain black jeans that everyone needs in their wardrobe. Slim fit, it's all good. Let me know what you think of these G-Star reviews. Check out all the other ones and make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I just feel like I've waffled for a few minutes. But yeah, let me know what you think. Can't go wrong with a classic pair of slim fits. And take care, my people.